Are you tired of juggling multiple streaming services and monthly bills just to get those live channels you're looking for? Well, get ready to hit that like button because I have a solution for you. You see, Sony Bravia Google TVs allow you to browse over 800 free TV channels, all from multiple providers organized in one easy-to-use guide. The Live tab on your Google TV home screen organizes the channels by topics and genre, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Plus, if you have a premium live TV subscription from, let's say, YouTube TV, Sling, or Access over-the-air channels, they will all be integrated into the Live tab as well. So all of your channels can be found in one convenient place. Now, this is a huge time saver since you don't have to switch apps just to see what's available right now. So to discover what you can watch, head over to the home screen and select the Live tab. Then navigate to the different categories or just go into the guide and simply browse. It is a very intuitive system, even supplying you with how much time is left in the program, as well as a picture of the show or movie that's currently playing. Now, if you don't already have the apps needed to watch a particular program, don't even worry about it. You'll be prompted to download it. Now, it may require you to sign up and log into the service as well, but once all that's done, you'll have access right through the Live tab, along with, well, the other channels you're looking for. Now, over 800 free channels is a lot. So when you do find a channel that you love, you also have the ability to add it to your favorites. You see, in the menu, what you want to do is highlight the channel name, and you'll find that to the left side of a current program, and then press the center button on your remote. You'll now see a little star underneath the name of the channel. That lets you know that, well, it's been added. This will also create a favorites list located above the categories on the top left side of your screen. This amazing live TV experience is available right now on most Sony Bravia Google TVs. So what are you waiting for? Thanks for watching.